Friends, welcome to Cloud Learners. In this video today, we'll be going to see how we can create an IP address and attach to an AWS EC2 instance. So friends, as you can see, I've already logged into my AWS account and I already have an instance running. Now let's see the IP address of this instance. As you can see, this is the public IP address of this instance. Now we'll be going to create an elastic IP address and assign it to this instance. So what is the problem with the public IP address is that when you reboot this instance, this IP address is going to be changed. You use elastic IP, that IP address is going to remain consistent until unless you do not release that elastic IP on the instance. So let's move ahead and create an elastic IP. So you need to go into this network and security section, click on elastic IP address. Now you need to click here, allocate elastic IP address. You can keep the default setting as is. Even if you want to give a tag to this IP address, you can do that. I don't think it is really very good to give tags to every resource that you create. So you can easily identify resources belongs to different workloads. And even this tags will help you in uh, isolating or bifurcating cost for individual workloads. So let's click on allocate. Okay. As you can see, this particular IP address is allocated to us. Now, what we can do is we can go into the Actions tab, click on Associate Elastic IP address. Now, you can attach this IP address to instance as well as the network interface. We'll not be going to cover what is interface and we'll be simply attaching it to the instance. That's the overview. So you can see the instance here. If you do not find the instance here, you can search by the name of instance and you can see. We keep the setting as is. Okay, now as you can see, this IP address is associated with the instance. Now let's see this IP address is reflecting there on that instance. So as you can see, friends, the new elastic IP address that we have created is being assigned to this instance now. So this is the way you can create elastic IP address and attach to the instance. And just a word of caution here. So if you keep using this elastic IP address, so there will not be any issue. But let's say if you stop this instance and if you keep this elastic IP address running, then it is going to charge you. So it is always a good practice if you do not need this elastic IP address for a longer time. Maybe you can release this elastic IP address and yes, there will be charges incurred. So if you want to keep your workload running 24/7 throughout the year, so then you can keep this elastic IP address attached. But let's say if your workload is for, for a small time frame, so make sure you release this elastic IP address, otherwise it will keep charging you. Thank you. Let's say when you want to terminate this instance, so it will ask you for releasing elastic IP address. So make sure like if you have created this instance for some testing purpose also, so better you release this elastic IP. Otherwise, we'll be going to get charges because of this elastic IP address if you if not be released. And like the other way you can release this elastic IP address is You can again go to this network security section. Let's say if you do not like if you are not terminating your EC2 instance and you simply want to release this elastic IP, you can go to this elastic IP section and click on disassociate elastic IP address. With this, you can disassociate the elastic IP. So for now, this IP is only disassociated. Still, this IP does exist. May not be attached to the instance, but it exists. So you need to make sure you release it as well. Otherwise, you will be going to get charges for this. So now we are safe. So that's it, friend. That's it for today's video. We'll meet again soon in the next video. Thank you.
So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.